Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you a simple way to install a VPN. IPVanish VPN on your Amazon Fire Stick in less than 1 minute, unlocking every streaming service, boosting your internet speed and making you completely invisible online. So stick around because I have a 83% discount for you in the pinned comment and the description. So let's dive in. What is a VPN? I'm glad you asked. A VPN, or virtual private network, creates a secure, encrypted tunnel for your internet connection. This protects your online traffic from prying eyes and makes it appear as though you are connecting from a different location. Right now, without a VPN, every website you visit, every show you stream, everyone can see you. Your ISP, hackers, even the government. They see your car, your license plate, your destination. It's all public. A VPN, like IPVanish, is your own private invisible tunnel. You hop in one end and pop out somewhere else in the world with a totally new identity. Your ISP only sees you entering the tunnel. They have no idea what you're doing inside. It encrypts your data, hides your location, and makes you completely anonymous. It's not just for privacy, it's your key to the entire internet. So from the home screen, we will move across to find, drop down to search and enter IPVanish. As soon as it appears in the list, we can then select it. IP, there it is. So once you have signed up via one of the links in the description or pinned comment and entered in your login credentials, then you will see this screen. It is set to UK. We just disconnect it. We drop down to this to select a location. I've already set Amsterdam and United States as favorites, so they can be selected quickly, but you can select from all of these countries, or if you want to go by city, you can select from here. So to conduct this test, what I will do is connect to United States. Okay, so we are connected to the United States and have a new IP address. I will now go to settings, applications. Just recently they enabled this option to clear all application cache in one go, so you can just clear all the caches for all your open applications. I, however, will just go into the manage installed applications and select Tubi, full stop, and clear cache. Okay, so back on the home screen, I will launch Tubi now that we are connected to our VPN, and we should have access to the American content. I can already see from the UI it's slightly different from the UK. So I can tell that it is working and we have access to this selection. Right, so I will back out of this.
Not to worry,
I will go back to the VPN and disconnect from United States. I will then go back to locations and select Amsterdam and connect. Okay, so now we are now connected to Amsterdam. So I'll go back to applications so that I can clear the cache again for Tubi. and relaunch it. And what you should see is that it no longer works, as it is not available in that location. So I'll clear the cache and launch Tubi again. And as you can see, it's not available in Amsterdam, so we cannot access this application. So this is highlighting, or this is demonstrating, geo-location restrictions. I will go back to the VPN and disconnect from the Amsterdam servers, so it will return me to my original UK IP. I will clear the cache one more time for Tubi. We'll stop and clear cache. Okay, so if I open Tubi now, access should now be restored, and it should be the UK. So we can see the application is now opening and access is now restored. And as I mentioned, the UI is slightly different compared to the American layout.
Hey,
and
look at
you
you.
can just click on this
Hey,
and
you make
test
that
it.
for me.
If you are looking for a new VPN, then I highly recommend IPVanish, which are offering a whopping 83% discount on their 2-year package. So for less than $2-3 a month, less than a cup of coffee, you can have peace of mind and complete privacy while online. And you can use this on multiple devices, so you can cover your laptops, desktops, iPhones, iPads, everything. And as I said, complete peace of mind, complete privacy. So when you're in the airport, on the public network, you can connect via VPN and therefore conduct your activities privately and securely. Links are in the description and pinned comment. Thanks for watching. If this has helped you out, then please give this video a like, drop a comment and subscribe, and I will catch you on the next one. Cheers.